All right, so we have water popped the floor. We're going to move over and stain a previously water popped floor just for demonstration purposes. So the Basic Coatings HyperTone stains have been out a while. It's a water-based oil hybrid technology, pretty much invented by Basic Coatings. The beauty of this product, we are, because we are water-based, we're able to do a couple things. One, low odor, no fumes, water and soap cleanup, which is great. We do not have to worry about rags, soaking them in water, laying them out, let them dry, and then throwing them away. Metal containers, all of that goes away with the HyperTone stain. A gym floor setting, when you have a water pop floor, particularly maple, getting an even stain is very difficult. You see those two-tone areas, center court, almost entire floors that have color on them now. That is all possible with HyperTone stains. It's buffable. You can apply it with an applicator. You don't have to cut in ahead of yourself. These two are not water popped. We are going to use stain on this one so you can see the difference between water popped and not water popped. We're going to do stain on this one so that you can see the application of stain while the floor is still a little damp. And it's HyperTone stain, it's water-based stain. We can do that. We could never do that with a solvent-based stain. If you find that this is drying too quick, you might want to use the Stain Glide for the HyperTone stains. You can add up to 18 ounces to a gallon of this. So we've poured some HyperTone stain, Hickory color, in this little applicator pan. We're going to soak our pad, keep it flat, bring it over, cut in. I like to stay on a board edge. You do want to remove any excess stain. Heavy areas, lap lines, that kind of thing, so that you don't have adhesion issues with your seal and finish. So you get good absorption with these style towels in order to even it out. And then we're just going to continue to work our way down the floor. Coverage-wise, you're probably looking anywhere from 450 to 550 square feet. So we're going to pop one over to the other side here. This we just water popped like 45 minutes ago. So we're going to stain that to show you that you can use HyperTone stain on a very damp, previously water popped floor. Again, you could, larger area, you can roll this on, you can buff it on. The key is to make sure you get any of the excess up, and then have a nice cutoff point. I usually use a board edge so that it's good for blending. If anybody's used water-based stains previous to HyperTone, you know, typically stains that are sold in for the hobbyist that are water-based and no odor, no solvent. Try to do that on 600, 800, 5,000 square feet. You are in for a workout. So it's pretty amazing. I'm able to stain this floor on a section that we literally just water popped. All right, so we're going to apply the HyperTone Hickory color to the non-water pop section of this floor. As you've seen earlier, we have 2 water pop sections, and then this is the non-water pop section, just so you can see the difference in color penetration. Now, this is a water-based stain, so you're going to get good penetration in color because it's water-based stain. It's going to pop the grain in and of itself. But Basic Coatings does recommend water popping the floor before you put this stain down. We're just doing this for demonstration and color purposes. So Basic Coatings, HyperTone stains, and Stain Glide. We use the application on a white oak character grade floor. We water popped 24 hours ago, and also same day, so you get an idea that you can apply this product on same day as long as the wood is semi-dry and not puddled. You're going to get about 800 square feet to the gallon. It does come in 16 ounce and 1 gallon containers. Traditional 14 colors for hardwood flooring stain colors. Basic Coatings does have a color chart for mixing various colors and base colors to get you what you need. Coatable in 2 to 4 hours, depending on dry times. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-737-1786 or go to our website, cityfloorsupply.com. Go ahead and click on Manufacturers, Basic Coatings. It'll take you right to HyperTone Stain.